Yo, I'm not really feeling that well tonight, kind of feel dizzy, so this is just gonna be a really short video. Hi, this is March 7th, 2025, and this is gonna be a really practical guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, literally anything. This is March 7th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 242 of consistently helping people build consistency. So here's the thing. I send memes to my friends on a day-to-day basis through Instagram. Okay, so like Instagram Reels, Instagram memes. I send it to my friend, and also my friend send it to me. My friends send it to me, send their memes at me to me on my DMs on a day-to-day basis. Well, that's a good thing, right? We want to share the joy to our friends. But the point that I'm trying to the point that I want to make here is that if I can send memes, if I can send reels on a day-to-day basis to my friends, and also my friends can also do that on a consistent basis, that means that I can also ask my friend on a day-to-day basis whether they are still sticking to their positive things, whether they are still doing their exercise on a daily basis or not. And also my friends can also do that. They can also ask me whether am I still doing my exercise, whether am I still meditating, whether am I still basically, taking my life seriously by doing all the positive things. Okay? So the point that I'm trying to be making here is that just asking the help to our friends to keep us accountable doing our positive things consistently is going to be one really effective method that's going to help us stay consistent at doing our positive things. And at the same time, we can also help our friends, right, to also be consistent by consistently asking them on a day-to-day basis whether they are still be consistent at doing their things or not, with their permission, of course. I mean, like, if they don't really want to be asked on a daily basis, it's going to be a bother, right? But yeah, you got my point, right? So the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be deciding what is the thing that we wanted to be consistent at. Don't only say that, oh yeah, I'm going to be exercising every single day. No, it's really unclear. Make it really clear. Like, oh yeah, I'm gonna be doing 5 minutes of playing Duolingo every single day. Oh yeah, I'm going to be reading 5 minutes, reading book for 5 minutes every single day. Right? It's really clear, right? And you don't really have to start really big, like, oh yeah, 1 hour of doing push-ups, blah blah blah. No, you just like need to start small first, okay? Just build the momentum first. Start small first, and then the thing that we are gonna be doing here is that we are gonna be asking our friend to keep us on track, okay? So basically, just ask them politely with their permission to ask us on a day-to-day basis whether we are still doing our studying or not, whether we are still doing our exercise or not. Okay? Basically, as simple as asking us, yeah, hey, bro, are you still locking in? Are you still doing your exercise? As simple as that, okay, on a day-to-day basis. So, big chances, the thing that's going to happen here is that once I have this one friend that I ask his help to keep me stay accountable, and he asked me on a day-to-day basis whether I still exercise or not, the thing that's going to happen here is that big chances I'm gonna be having extra motivation to actually do the exercise, because one, or you know what, like, I do not want to say no, I do not exercise, I did not exercise today because I'm lazy, I did not study today because I'm lazy to my friend, because two, my friend is somebody who actually cared about me, right? Somebody wanted to see me grow as a person, right? So I don't really want to disappoint them. And also, like, anyway, this is my request to him to keep me stay accountable, right? And I know if I say that, hey, you know what, I do not exercise today because I'm lazy, I know that he's going to be disappointed because he wanted to see me. Well, I don't know, maybe like he's trying to betray me, or no, just joking. But yeah, you got my point, right? And anyway, like, just 5 minutes of reading a book isn't really that hard if you just think of it. And I'm gonna be thinking like, you know what? Yeah, he is asking me whether I'm still consistent or not. reading the 5 minutes, reading 5 minutes every single day. You know what? I kind of feel lazy today to actually read the books, and it kind of feels sucks today actually. But you know, guess what's going to be even way more suck? It's actually to disappoint my friend by saying no, I did not exercise. I did not read my book. I did not study. I did not exercise because I'm feeling lazy. Okay, so actually I'm just gonna be doing the thing that's going to be comparatively less suck, which is doing the 5 minutes of reading the book. And you know what is the right thing to do anyway, right? So that's how you actually be consistent at doing your positive things. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you can also join our Discord. Bye bye. Oh yeah, and hey, for the date authenticity post, today is March 7th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a cinnamon roll cheesecake post last 24 hours. Thank you.